Let's look at education. A study by the National Education Association found that students who engage in group learning not only retain information better, but also develop critical skills like communication and empathy. When learners teach each other, they reinforce their own understanding while lifting others up. It's a win-win scenario. In the workplace, collaboration fuels innovation. Companies like Google and Apple thrive on teamwork. Their success stories show us how diverse perspectives, when combined, spark ideas that no individual could achieve alone. But it's not just about the corporate world. Communities grow stronger through collaboration. Think about grassroots movements, neighborhoods coming together to create safe spaces, plant gardens, or support local businesses. These aren't just projects. They're powerful examples of what happens when we unite for a common goal.
Even in sports, teamwork is the secret sauce. Michael Jordan famously said, "Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence win championships." On the court or the field, success isn't about individual stars, but how well they work together. Science and medicine, too, rely on collaboration. During the development of COVID-19 vaccines, researchers from around the globe shared data and insights at unprecedented levels. That teamwork saved millions of lives. Even in our personal lives, collaboration strengthens bonds. Families that work together to tackle challenges, or even simple tasks, like preparing meals, build deeper connections and mutual respect.
So, why does collaboration work so well? Think of it like a puzzle. Each piece is unique, yet only when all the pieces come together can you see the full picture. Diversity of thought and experience enriches the outcome, while shared effort makes the journey less daunting. The truth is, life's greatest achievements are rarely solo endeavors. Whether it's climbing a mountain or launching a new idea, the climb is always easier when we lift each other along the way. Together, we achieve more. So the next time you face a challenge, remember, you're not alone. Reach out, connect, and collaborate. Because when we unite our strengths, the possibilities are endless. Imagine a single bird attempting a long migration alone, battling harsh winds and endless skies. Now picture a flock flying in formation, sharing the burden and reaching their destination together. This isn't just nature's way. It's a principle that echoes across every corner of our lives. Together we achieve more. In today's world, collaboration isn't just a buzzword, it's the foundation of success. Whether we're solving complex problems, innovating new technologies, or building stronger communities, teamwork transforms the impossible into the achievable.